Hello to all those who are watching this video, and this is the video for the students of class 12th biology. Before starting the topic, I like to say that this is from the unit number 5, okay, the unit of ecology. Okay, so this is chapter number 13, in which uh, we will study about the organism and its environment. Okay, so first topic, levels of biological organization, is taken for this video. So little bit we will go through introductory part. So begin with what is ecology. So it is a branch of science which deals with interaction, okay, interaction among the organism and between the organism and its physical environment. So physical environment means living with living and living with non-living. Okay, so this is ecology. So the study of ecology, this is very important to strike a balance between the development and maintenance of natural, environmental and biotic communities, use and conservation of resources, solve local, regional and global environmental problems. Okay, for this we need to study the ecology. So most important thing is we have to keep in mind is interaction. What interaction? That is living with living and living with non-living. So there are 4 levels of biological organization, and basically it is means that 4 levels which is concerned with this are organisms, population, communities and biomes. Okay, organisms, living component of the environment at individual level and is basic unit of ecological hierarchy. Okay, second one is populations, the sum total of all individuals of a species in a specific geographical area. Okay, so this term gives the meaning. And communities, we say it means assemblage of all the population of different species present in an area and where they interact among themselves. And the term biome, it is a very large unit which consisting of major vegetation type, associated fauna in a particular climatic zone, tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, sea coast, desert, etc. So these are the major biomes of India. Okay, so there are few terms we will use in this chapter, that is ecosystem, that represents the organism and their environment in a particular area. Okay, so we will study the different ecosystem. When we say habitat, that refers to a specific place or locality which is formed by the combination of factors, physical, okay, physical features and barriers where a community dwells. Niche, yes, very important term, niche. It is the ecological niche of an organism. This represents the physical space occupied by it. Means जो organism की उस community में position है, okay, that is the resources it utilizes and its functional role in ecological system. Like I can give you the example, जैसे crow की एक niche क्या हुई, तो वो एक scavenger है community में. And biosphere, the surface of earth with all life forms. Okay, this means the union of all ecosystem. It is a highly ordered system. Okay, now one more term you will get over here, that is environmental ecology. So that at organism level deals with how different organisms are adapted to their environment in terms of their survival and reproduction. Okay, different biomes are formed because of the reasons. Number one, annual variation in the intensity, okay, and duration of the temperature, and annual variations in precipitation. These are the factors which determine. So here you can see the different that biomes you can see over here. Okay, the different one: desert, grassland, tropical forest, temperate forest, coniferous forest. Okay, so you can see here